Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of one of the really big boxes from Simply Earth. I got this in a few days ago, but I haven't opened it yet because if you know me, you know I like to open stuff on camera so we can share the experience together. So I have no clue what's in here, and to be honest, I'm not even sure what month box this is. I'm gonna assume October though, because we're still in October, but you never know. Really quick, an update on my eye. Last time I mentioned it, I said I thought I had a stye. I don't even know what it is anymore. I'm starting to wonder if it's allergies or something. It's still been swollen. It's still been a little tender near my lash line, which is why I think it's a stye, but I don't know. I thought styes usually have like a little bump or something, but I don't know. I haven't worn makeup since my eyes started bothering me, and I'm afraid I'm starting to get a little used to it. I literally don't have anything on right now, not lotion or nothing. I only filled in my eyebrows because y'all know that my eyebrows still need a lot of prayer, so yeah. Anyways, let's get this box open. So this is one of their bonus boxes, which means there's gonna be a lot of stuff in here. If you've never heard of Simply Earth, I would highly suggest looking into Simply Earth. If you love essential oils and all that stuff, you will love Simply Earth. If you've never tried out essential oils or anything like that, it is something you might want to look into because essential oils are amazing and they are multi-purpose. Seriously. They're not just the little oil you put in a diffuser. You can use essential oils for so many things. That is one of the reasons I love them so much. But yeah, so this company, their oils are 100% natural. They are 100% made from earth. Every time you make a purchase from Simply Earth, they donate towards helping end human trafficking, which is another reason why I love this company. Okay, let's get into it. I don't even know what's in here, girl. I'm excited, I'm scared. And I just got a new oil diffuser, which I'm gonna be showing you guys soon, and I'm like obsessed with it. So this little box here, or big box, came at a perfect time. Okay, so let's see. We've got a paper here that tells you the box's value and tells you what's in it, which I'm trying not to look at. And the first thing we have here is this box. This is actually what you would normally get whenever you sign up, and then the rest in this box is, like I said, it's the bonus box, but this is what you would typically get if you sign up for their monthly subscription. So let's see what kind of oils we got today. I love getting new oils, trying new oils. Oh, I just love it. Okay. All right, so this is definitely a fall box, and they have all these stickers here so you can label your items because they've got like do-it-yourself things in here. You can create stuff, put your little labels on it. We've got recipe cards here. They always come with recipe cards. They tell you how to use each oil. You can mix them together and create some awesome stuff. So this is what I'm seeing so far in the box. I'm seeing I've got 4 new oils here. First oil we have here is a lemon eucalyptus. I have a lemon, but I don't have lemon eucalyptus. Oh my God, I love that. It smells like pine sol or Murphy's oil, one of them. Oh my God, I love that. Oh, this one's gonna be so good for cleaning, girl. Okay, the next one we have here is Wintergreen. Girl, that smells like a bubble gum I've had. Or a little bit like dip. This smells really good though. It's like super sweet and minty. Yeah, it actually smells pretty edible. The next one we have here is Relief, and this one actually has lavender, ginger, juniper berry, rosemary, and black pepper. Oh, that one's nice. I smell a little bit of everything in there, but I just got a hint of black pepper too. Excuse me. All right, next one we've got here is Pine Scotch. It says needles and twigs on the back. It's evergreen and woody. Okay, I'm smelling a little Christmas tree right there, girl. So we also have a refillable spray bottle, which I love because I use these for so many things. I love these little bottles. We've also got this here. Oh, this is activated charcoal. Oh, nice. Whitens teeth. Warning, very messy. It's 100% pure, no additives. Oh, I like charcoal, girl. And we also have stringy thing here, and this. What's that gonna be? We're gonna find out on our little little recipe cards there. Okay, so that was what was in that box. Let's check out these stickers here. We've got ornament diffuser recipe, holiday diffuser blend, acre leaf roll-on, Christmas spray, Into the Woods charcoal toothpaste. Oh, do-it-yourself toothpaste. And also purifying and exfoliating charcoal face mask. These labels are so cute, and these recipe cards are super easy to follow. I have used them before and I love them. So here's all the recipes for each little sticker I just named. Their little recipe cards are always so cute. They have a lot of information on the back, and they are always decorated to match the monthly theme. So next we have here a packet of beeswax. These are extras that come in the bonus box. Oh, we've got another thing of coconut oil. I actually have another jar of this in my cabinet that I've been using a lot lately. I love the coconut oil. Not only do they have essential oils, they have all kinds of different things. That's why you've just got to check out the website. Oh my God, yes. Thank you, Lord. Woo! More almond oil. Went through so many bottles of this, and I actually ran out, and then I started using the Simply Earth jojoba oil, but I have been missing my almond oil. I'm so glad I got some more of this, because this is like an addiction for me. Almond oil. You need to buy it and use it for everything. Got another bottle of coconut oil, which I'm also thankful for, because I love the solid, but I also love the liquid form, and I literally just ran out of this like 2 weeks ago. So I got another bottle of coconut oil. And they also send these little extras. Here is for like the DIY roll-on recipe. They send a bunch of those so you can make your own little roll-ons, and you can just do whatever you gotta do with it. Really nice to have. They also sent a bunch of little just empty vials so you can mix your oils together and create a unique little thing there. And we've also got this jar here, which would probably be good for the charcoal and toothpaste and all that. So yeah, they actually sent a bunch of these. They're just all in the box. Lots of good stuff. Yeah, this is a really good box. A lot of good stuff in it. So if you are wondering what came in this box, the fall box, you should totally get it, because yeah, this one was thebomb.com. Love their coconut oil. I'm telling you, you've got to try out their almond oil. I use it like obsessively. It's crazy. Seriously, I went through so many bottles because I just use it for everything. It's like the best moisturizer ever. And it helps with my skin so much. I like to use it in my hair too, and in the bathtub. Girl, get you some almond oil. Anyway, so yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you, Simply Earth, for always providing the best stuff ever. I'm going to enjoy all of this. I love everything, and yeah. So sign up for a Simply Earth box and get you a bonus box, because you get a lot of fun extras in there. And trust me, none of this is going to go unused. You are going to use all of it. So anyway, leave me some comments down below, and yeah, I would love to hear from you. Give this video a thumbs up if you love essential oils like I do, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!